The Bodos, an indigenous tribe of Assam, are a significant ethnic and linguistic community recognized under the sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution. They possess a rich cultural heritage, distinctive language, and a strong historical and political identity. As the largest ethnic group in contemporary Assam, the Bodo-Kachari people have preserved their cultural traditions with a deep reverence for their historical legends. Their contributions have significantly shaped the cultural and ethnic landscape of the Assam Valley. Religion holds a paramount role in the lives of the Bodos, influencing every facet of their socio-economic and cultural activities, reflecting their enduring connection to their spiritual heritage. We are here at Shamgao, near Kokraja town of Bodoland, Assam, to witness one of the festivals which they call Mainao Fwrbw. Mainao, now appropriated with the Hindu deity Lakshmi or Lucky, is worshipped and welcomed on this day. The day begins with a ritual known as Mainao Tisonnai, where Mainao is symbolically installed in the form of rice. As the sun rises, villagers gather at Garja, their community place of worship, to carry Mainao back to their homes. Joining them is the Dowry, the priest who plays a pivotal role in this sacred procession. The uniqueness of the Bodo culture is reflected not only in their devotion to Bathou, but also in their openness to embrace non-Boro deities, notably Harsa Mwdai. This is a distinctive feature of the Garja and Kherai festivals, setting them apart from other religions. The Bodo community extends its worship and addresses these deities with reverence and devotion. After receiving Mainao from Garja, the procession begins. Villagers wholeheartedly participate in this procession. People accompany the dowry from the Garja to his home, where the Mainao will be received with full of devotion. On the way, the person who carries the Mainao does not speak to anybody. He walks silently. As the procession arrives the house, it is welcomed and placed in front of a siso plant, which is the symbol of Bathou or sea barai. The term si jo is derived from two words, si signifying soul or life force, and zo meaning supreme or chief. It is a profound symbol of the supreme soul, an entity worshipped with utmost reverence. The word Bathou connotes Ba, symbolizing five, and Tho, representing deep. These elements denote the five deep philosophical principles and the five visible elements of earth, water, air, fire, and ether or sky. Since the dawn of time, the Bodo people have honored these five elements, believing that they are not only the building blocks of the universe, but also divine entities worthy of reverence. Bodo community adhered to this ancient faith of Bathou. Ceremonies, customs, music define the essence of the Bodo culture. After installing Mainao, the entire village prepares for Garja ceremony.